Good morning, students. In the previous video, we are discussing about the receipt and payment, income and expenditure, and balancing account. In this video, we are discussing about the some important item related to non-profit seeking organization. First of all, subscription. It is the main source of income of NPO. It will be appearing in debit side of receipt and payment account and also credit side of income and expenditure account. Second है life membership fee. कुछ ऐसे भी मेंबर्स होते हैं जो कि पूरा लाइफ टाइम के लिए होते हैं, तो दे हैव पे एट वंस टाइम, नॉट फॉर एनुअली. It will be credited to income and expenditure account and added in capital fund at the liability side. Endowment fund. Endowment fund क्या होता है? It is a capital receipt because it provides a permanent income to the institution. It should be shown on liability side as a separate item. Fourth है entrance fee या admission fee. It is received from the new members apart from the amount of annual subscription. Some people favor capitalizing an entrance fee on the ground that is collected once for all and such is not a recurring nature. However, there are others who argue that thought it is paid by each member only once it is received fairly, regularly every year, and such should be treated as revenue income. अब देखते हैं डोनेशन. डोनेशन जो है दो प्रकार के होते हैं. एक होता है स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन और दूसरा होता है जनरल डोनेशन. स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन की बात करें, वे डोनेशन जो किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्पस के लिए यूज किए जाए. जस्ट लाइक बिल्डिंग खरीदनी है, मशीनरी खरीदनी है, जो भी खरीदना है उसके लिए पर्टिकुलर हमने डोनेशन मिला. दैट्स कॉल्ड ए स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन. It is capitalization nature, so it is so on the liability side of balance sheet. Second है जनरल डोनेशन. ये भी दो प्रकार के होते हैं. बिग अमाउंट और स्मॉल अमाउंट. बिग अमाउंट जो होता है उसको हम लोग लायबिलिटी साइड में, बैलेंस शीट के लायबिलिटी साइड में शो करते हैं, क्योंकि ये जो है हमेशा हर साल उपलब्ध नहीं होते हैं ना? और सेकंड है स्मॉल साइज या स्मॉल अमाउंट. इट्स शोन ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट बिकॉज small donation can be expected every year. Legacy. It is the amount which a non-profit entity received as per will of deceased partner. It appears on debit side of receipt and payment account. This amount is not recurring nature and such as treated as capital receipt and shown on liability side. Sale of old assets. It appears debit side of payment and receipt account because it's a capital nature and not transferred to income and expenditure account. However, the profit or loss on the sale of an asset must be taken to the income and expenditure account. Sale of old newspaper and sport material. It appears on debit side of receipt and payment account and is transferred to credit side of income and expenditure account. Account due to fact that selling the old newspaper and used sport material like old bats, ball and regular feature non-profit seeking institution. Payment of honorarium. The amount paid person who are not the employees of institution is called the honorarium and it is debited to income and expenditure account. General and special fund. In case of NPO, there is no capital account. The difference between the assets and outside liability is known as the name of capital fund, and the difference between income and expenditure is transferred to this fund every year. This capital fund is known as the general fund, is to distinguish from any other special fund which the organization may be created for any specified purpose.